Welcome to the Verbera Reverb video tutorial. In this tutorial, we will explain the interfaces, main panel, IR, cloning, external expression pedals, and MIDI control. Verbera has an input that switches stereo and mono based on your input device and cable. Use the menu to set this. When sending mono signal, use standard TS cables. When sending stereo signal, use TRS or dual TS to TRS cables. To the right of the input is a pair of outputs. The left output outputs stereo with TRS cables, and outputs left channel mono with TS cables. The right output is mono only. To the right of the outputs are the USB port and DC power port. The USB port connects to computers for preset management and USB MIDI. With 5 volts at least 2 ampere power, it can also run standalone. Use 9 volt 1 ampere center negative adapters for DC power. Bottom left is MIDI through for forwarding MIDI signals. Right is MIDI in or EXP. Its use is explained later. Both are 3.5mm TRS ports requiring TRS cables. You may need TRS to target device adapters for the MIDI in or EXP port. The panel has 2 states, indicated by orange and blue. Click the left Alt button to switch states. In orange mode, Knob 1 controls convolution reverb decay. Knob 2 controls convolution reverb attack. Knob 3 controls overall reverb tone. The mix knob controls convolution reverb mix. In blue mode, Knob 1 controls extra reverb decay. Knob 2 controls overall pre-delay. Knob 3 controls overall modulation. The mix knob controls extra reverb mix. On the main screen, turn the preset knob to cycle through presets. Press it to save your current preset to any preset slot. Press again to name your preset. Hold it down to save instantly to the current position. On the main screen, turn the IR knob to browse impulse responses. Tap it to sort IRs by name, length, smooth, diffusion, brightness, and attack. This helps you quickly find the perfect reverb for your creative needs. Press and hold the left button to enter the menu. Here you can select the input signal type, external controller type, trail on and off. Set channels for USB and external MIDI devices, and check the firmware version. Press the clone button on the right side to return to the main screen. The right button is the reverb clone button. Press and hold this button to clone reverb. Detailed steps are in the later tutorial. The bottom foot switches have 2 modes, indicated by the LED colors. When both LEDs are orange, it's preset mode. Left foot switch selects previous preset. Right foot switch selects next preset. Press both foot switches together to switch the foot switch mode. Then left foot switch turns reverb on and off. Right foot switch turns freeze function on and off. In the menu, set input to stereo. Before connecting cables, press and hold the button to prepare for cloning. Reverb is often stereo. You may need a Y cable, TRS, to dual TS. Plug the TRS end into Verbera input. Connect Verbera output to your Reverb device input. Then connect your Reverb device output to Verbera input to form a loop. Press Start. After cloning, decide if you want to save and name the captured IR. In the menu, set Control to EXP to connect an expression pedal. Take the Hotone expression pedal as an example. Prepare a 3.5mm to 6.35mm TRS cable, or a 3.5mm to 3.5mm cable with a common 6.35mm headphone adapter. After connecting the pedal, press both left and right buttons simultaneously to enter expression control settings. Here, the left button switches reverb types to control. The middle effect icon shows assignable pedal parameters. The right button controls pedal position definitions. You will see EXP heel and EXP toe. First select EXP heel, lift your pedal, rotate the target knob to your desired value. EXP heel sets the parameter when lifting the pedal. The lift height depends on your current pedal position. Then click the right button to switch to EXP toe. Press the pedal down fully. Rotate the knob again to set the value. EXP toe sets the parameter when pressing the pedal down. The press depth also depends on your current pedal position. When set successfully, the corresponding knob lights up on screen. After setup, press both left and right buttons together to exit. To cancel expression control, set identical values for EXP heel and EXP toe. If satisfied with the result, remember to save the preset. Set Control to MIDI in the menu. Connect your effect unit and control device with appropriate cables. If your MIDI controller has TRS output, use a TRS cable for MIDI transmission. With traditional MIDI controllers, use a 3.5mm TRS to 5-pin MIDI cable. Here, taking pulse control as an example, use the same TRS cable as for expression pedal connection. Find the MIDI CC table in Verbera's manual. Input corresponding control commands in pulse control based on the provided MIDI values. That covers all content of this tutorial. Remember to subscribe and follow Hotone's official channel for more information.